Today is a very proud moment for us in Nokia and the two in Andhra Pradesh. In fact, this is the second conference after Calcutta on Friday. We are launching two stylish phones in the entry segment. They're called C101 and C102. C102 does not have a camera. C101 has a camera. C102 is priced at about 2,384 and this is priced at about 2,789. The big features of this phone is, in fact, I would say the 32 GB memory. What do you do with the 32 GB memory slot? You can download 4,500 songs, or you can even download 75 movies in the MP4 format. Or if you're a camera buff, you can shoot to about 2.5-3 lakh pictures and store it out there. This is a very, very low economical phone from Nokia which we have launched, and moreover, at this pricing, people can experience to drive the internet in a very, very big way. Today, if they have a GPRS connection and on this phone, they'll be able to get a full free experience of the internet. And above all, if you look at it, it was a myth which people considered if they have to go and send and track a email on a phone, it should be on a costly phone. At this low price phones, in fact, people can get onto the internet and they access the internet. Apart from all this, in fact, people can even get onto the OV services, they can get into the OV store, they can download whatever they want to, they can download the music. Plus, they can even shoot pictures and send it through MMS or put it onto a 2 GB memory card on the lot. All in all, it's an all-rounder phone from Nokia called the C1 series out here, and at a very, very affordable price point for the common man. You will all recollect, or you will all know, that Nokia is a company which has been the forerunner of driving mobility in the country along with the operators. And Nokia has made some special phones exclusively for India. You will all recollect the 1100 which Nokia had launched exclusively for India. And we understand the needs of the common man. And today, we want to offer the common man not only a very, very powerful, good handset, but we want him to experience the power of the internet, and we want him to have a good phone which gives them a good value offering in terms of products, solutions, and services from Nokia. I think that's the big strength which we as a phone manufacturer have compared to other people around. And today, we can be quite assured of the fact that in these two phones, whatever the consumer would love to have is going to get on this at a very, very economical price point. And he's going to come back and say, this is the best phone which Nokia has had to offer at a very, very economical price point. We already have a dual SIM called C100, which we launched in the month of September. Plus, you'll have a lot of other new dual SIM phones coming out from Nokia. I cannot tell you the timing or whatever it is, but you will get a lot of phones coming from Nokia. We'll have a lot of dual SIM features coming in from Nokia. We normally do not discuss target. We do not normally discuss our market share and everything around. We have good phones. We want to give the consumer the best, and the consumer will take it. Thank you.